It's the long weekend. It's the King's birthday in New South Wales, long weekend. So, we were expecting a rainy long weekend, but last minute we saw that today will be nice and sunny. So, we um, booked for a quick holiday, a very spontaneous holiday to Coffs Harbour. Let's go! Hi! So we are now in Nambaka Heads. It's nice and warm na. Nilagay ko pa tong cuff na, itong fur na to. Hindi naman pala malamig. Pero may konting lamig, pero it's nice na. Very pleasant.
What it means to reciprocate. How much can I be expected to tolerate? So I started to think about the plans I made the day unpaid, and you just can't call a spade a spade. I watch the moon let it around my mood. Can't stop thinking of you. I watch you. So nice to know you. I'll be moving on.
Wow! Hi! So we finally reached the end! That's the end of the boardwalk. And look at the big waves! Let's Where is it
Smaller
now?
than the windmill.
Big banana. Bye. Hi. So we are now in Coffs Harbour, and we are walking towards to Sapphire Beach. Let's go. Oh, look, they have a nice walk path to the bush. So we're good. Coffs Coast. Let's go. Garden.
Little garden.
There's a bathroom too. Decent.
Trying it there. It's like a restaurant. Like a Dutch restaurant or something like that.
Jenny Beach House for dinner. This is the back door.
That's good for the
Hi, so we just finished dinner at the jetty. So we're going home back to the motor inn. See you tomorrow. Good morning. So we are off to Bellingen for breakfast. Is it Bellingen, love? Bellinger. Something Bellinger. We're going to Bellinger for breakfast. Bellingen. Bellingen. So we just are. It's 7 degrees here. It's a bit cold, and I can smell bacon. So we're going to follow the scent to get breakfast. Let's go.
We can take a photo, eternalize this moment for the days when I don't believe, when our love gets stolen, 'cause there's no exception, and I know time will take you far from me. Let this night invade my lungs, you're all I wanna breathe. Right beside the lake, I burn for you, you burn for me. So kiss me the way that you would if we died tonight. Hold me the way that you would for the final time. Whatever may come somewhere deep inside, there's always this version of you and I. So just kiss me the way.
There you go. It's a waterfalls. Hey.
nice view down into the ocean now.
So we are now at the rainforest walk. Oh, there's a skywalk here. Let's go. Okay. Hi. So we are now walking towards another waterfalls. It's going to be 1.5 hour walk, but we should be fine. It's good that they provided like this is like a rubber mat, so it's not slippery. Very hiker friendly. Okay. We are now.
Which way do you want to go, left or right? Doesn't
Yeah.
really matter. Okay, we're going to come back that way then.
All right, let's go. Where dinosaurs still walk. Ay, there can be dinosaurs here. Oh no, gawa na. Wow. hope we can see an animal, hun. Like a paddy melon. Or what is a potter root?
What do you want to
I think we may have found the giant singing tree. So big. Yeah, the leaves are up there, so we're safe.
No, they're down there too. It falls over and it grows out of the side of the tree.
Oh yeah.
Quick touch it and see if it stings you.
Did you try it, love?
No.
That's a big tree. Let's go. I can hear the waterfalls. We're getting very close now. There. Can see it through the trees. Let's go. Oh, and also there's a bridge, so we can go over it. Let's go. Oh, there it is! Wow! Oh, it's high. Wow! Oh, that'll be
Alright.
the top. There it is. Yay! And going down, down, down there. Wow. Hi, so here's the waterfall. Just behind. Hi, so it's been a really nice walk, but now we're going back upwards, so the challenge begins. Let's go. Hi, we saw another waterfall. Look. Oh, come. We can go underneath. Let's go. Wow. Go. Whoop. Ah, I'm gonna duck a little bit. Oh, we are under the waterfall. Woo.
I was worried about the leeches, so I didn't want to push it.
Oh, you gonna? I'm gonna stay there. You can take a photo of me now. So there is a boardwalk too around the falls. So let's go walk around it. You can see the falls on the side. So this is the upper falls, the one that we saw earlier. Wow. Let's walk closer. Bulgogi and mushroom. Yum. go. One side here, another side is water. Let's go. Ooh. Okay, it's a good idea. Let's go. How beautiful is this place? Look at that. You know, it reminds me of Iceland. Not that I've been there before, but this looks like the scene from Walter Mitty. So that's my next goal, to go to Iceland. Bakit naman, oh. Ganda. Hi, so we are now leaving Emerald Beach and we're going to another beach to find a place to have dinner. Let's go! Hi! So we are now in Wolgolga. So from here we can see the lighthouse earlier. We can see the lighthouse earlier lighting up, but it's not much. Hindi na siya. Yun na yun. Yun na pala yun. Okay, let's go. We're going to the headland and then we're gonna have dinner afterwards. Let's go. so this is now the Volga Headlands. Hey, so windy. Fish of the day, and Korean soba noodle salad. Hi, so we had a lovely dinner at the Sea View Tavern, and it's time to go home. Let's go. See you tomorrow. Hi, good morning. So today is checkout time, and before going home, we'll go to Bala Beach. So the rain has caught up with us, which I'm alright with because we had sunny day yesterday and we were expecting some rain, so today's alright. It already stopped, so I hope the trip to the beach will be nice too.
It's near
Beach house.
the shopping. What kind of fish is that?
Oh, is there fish in there? Nice. And back on the road because we're going to Waterfalls. It take us 2 hours.
So maybe they're planning on paving the whole thing eventually, yeah?
On the road. Oh, hi! Hi! So finally, after 2 hours of driving, we made it to Ellenborough Falls. Let's have a look. Okay, Chris wants to go. Let's see how difficult this is. Gusto pa niya talaga yung maulan. Okay, we're going to the head of the falls. Woohoo! Let's go. Ooh. Some steps.
bar at the top of it, yeah? Sorry?
You can go swimming there. Lower Falls. Oh, there's another one. There is a Lower Falls that we can go to. So this one is a little further down. Let's go. It's a narrow walkway. It's a bit steep. So it is already raining. Ah. Let's go. Oh, I can see it. Look, oh, there's the falls. Wow! It's just behind me. Oh no. Okay, I can see a small shelter. Let's go. Wow. Wow! I think this is it, the bottom. The bottom. Wow. Ali, can you take a photo of me? That took us a while. So we're back here at the Choose Your Adventure. I thought we're going home, but there's another path we can take. So let's do the 10 minutes. Let's go, guys. We can do this. It's a big tree. Wow. Okay, let's go. Keep going. Okay. going down the bridge. Let's see if we can finish this one because I'm ready to give up. Okay, so here is another viewing deck for the waterfalls. So we just got home and the car is getting a wash because it's got a lot of mud from our adventures. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye!